Hi, my name is Kenny MacLeod. We're currently developing a project that should allow for mass production of low-cost and very durable buildings, both for the third world, disaster relief, and for eco-buildings in the developed world. We think this is very important. We need some funding, and I wonder whether you can help. Please look at the video and see what you think. So how do we do it? Well, firstly, you choose the material, rubble. You can't get much lower cost, and believe me, there's plenty of it about. We need fist-sized chunks to put in sacks as our basic material, but let me show you how we go about it. Firstly, the Arcuus project, it just means arched house. The idea is to build with rubble into a natural structure built over a lightweight steel frame kit that you can drop away from the structure that you build. We're just showing some drawings just now. We've prepared things to contract drawing stage, and there's a recognised building method. That's really what we're about, is producing a mass construction method of building earth bag type structures that much reduces the labour and allows for genuine mass construction. So how have we got on progress wise? We built a timber mock-up of the gable of one of the units. We then loaded it up with material, that's the fist-sized chunks of rubble, in polypropylene sacks, building up in height there. The guys are standing on the wall. It's 2'6" wide, 700mm, which gives a good working platform, which means you don't require much in the way of scaffolding, staging, which really simplifies things. And there's a good shot of the guys not doing very much, but really working pretty hard. The metal object in the middle there is an arch former. You see it lying on the ground now. That allows you to place that over the kit and provide an opening wherever you require it. Here are the guys removing this. This is the first time we took it out from the prototype, so we were quite chuffed that it came out so sweetly. We now know that we can build these in different positions wherever you want doors and windows. So how do we go about it? This is the steel frame, 2 stories high, being erected. Sturdy units, but lightweight. We then infill the rectangular openings that the frame creates with an infill panel. We'll show you more of that later. That's a view of the kit, which is 2 stories high, gives a good interior space and is easily demountable and easily handled. This is a shot of the kit in the workshop as we're just making the prototype unit, and now being erected out in the yard where the timber units that you see the guys handling just now, that is the barrel vault former for the roof, and it just slides onto the top frame of the steelwork, as you can see. It's all very simple. It took us 4 hours to build the kit, although a 2-story one that you're looking at now would certainly take longer. So what do? We carry on infilling, as you saw. This is a magic unit that flies in barrel vaults, arch formers that we can place wherever we want over the building to create an opening. And the barrel vault sits on the roof, as you can see. We then start to load this with material. This stuff magically goes on itself. We have to fill bags with rubble, but they can be rapidly placed over the kit, and that's why it saves time. That's an interior shot of the roof units in place, and our unit being built up in height with bags. An interior shot showing the infill panels, which in this instance are just second-hand scaffolding boards. We don't need anything high-tech because the whole ethos of the project is low-tech. This is the guy standing on top of the barrel vault former, starting to place the bags for that, which radiate round like bricks in an archway. So we place these carefully with a couple of Glasgow kicks. This is now an exterior shot of the finished structure with the arch former in place. We now have moved inside, and most of the infill panels have removed, are gone, We're ready to remove the rest of the framework. It all comes down in reverse order quite easily. Goes out the door so you can start on the next unit. Meantime, we are removing the roof jacks that support the barrel vault formers. All of the framework is out now, and we're ready. In fact, that's the first roof unit ready to come out with a couple of shakes, and it came out reasonably sweetly. The last unit, and there's a scapegoat, who I believe lasted for 12 seconds or so. Exterior shot again. So what do we hope to do from here on? We want to develop the building method and the details and techniques to make it a proper, viable building method for mass production. What we need now is help to test and verify the structure with BRE. This is a new building method that allows for mass production. Reduced time means much reduced money in terms of unit costs of production, and properly resourced and logistically served, the Arcuus system could tackle mass production of durable buildings in third world and disaster situations, and I really believe that it's important enough that we should give it a chance. And we're at the beginning here. I think it's an exciting possibility. I hope you agree. I hope you've stuck with me. Thank you.